guys, welcome to the sixth episode of Budding Buddies. I've seen only 40% of you are subscribing to my channel. Rest of all just watching. So don't do this. Please subscribe. So many of the things that exist are proven by science, but we are going to discuss those 1% of things on which the research work is still going on. Clueless? I'm actually talking about the palmistry, the Hastarekha. Let's invite our today's guest, Siddhi Karwa, who is palmistry, Vastu Shastra, numerology, and Reiki expert. Hi Siddhi, hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm all good. How are you?
I'm good too. So Siddhi, how are you feeling coming here on the show?
I'm actually very glad to come. Thank you for inviting.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Siddhi, for coming on the show. Okay, so let's begin.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Siddhi, please introduce yourself to my viewers.
Okay. Hi, everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Myself, Siddhi Karwa, and I am from Amravati. I'm pursuing architecture by education wise, and by professional wise, I'm a palmist and a Vastu consultant. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Siddhi. So the next question for you is, you're a palmistry expert, and we all know it's not very common in this society. So please give us the information about the palmistry and how did you develop interest in this?
Okay. Yeah. See, palmistry is something which tells you about your past, present, and future, all things. And it's something like which tells you about every problem into your life, whether it's like a financial problem, your love life problem, any problem, you will get an advice into this thing. And palmistry, it's like it changes, your hand changes in every 4 to 5 months. And see, showing it, we can just give you a remedies, few remedies, and while doing it, you can change your lines in a proper way. I am not saying that, whatever it's meant to happen, it won't happen. Definitely, it will happen, but in a smaller way. It won't be that big. And how I've developed interest into it, it's a very great question, I could say, because I was already a blessed child with this thing, and I didn't knew it till my seventh standard. So in my seventh standard, I learned Reiki, and from there I got to know that I'm already a blessed child with all this thing, a sixth sense intuition things. So from there I started, and my first line was my mom, and eventually later on, matlab, things went right of her, and later on, for fun I used to see it, but
Yeah.
over the time it got like my hobby, and now it's like my die-hard passion that I love to do it, and I'm more into it now. It's more of my passion, I could say. Thank you.
Wow, super. So it was from unknown to now you know everything about it.
Yeah, still, I have not learned it. I could say like it's a treasure hunt game for me. Like I meet new people, they give me some advice, and when I implement it, I get something new out of it, a gift out of it, I could say.
So you just don't give advice, you also take advices and work on it.
Yeah, definitely. It's in give and take process.
Yeah, definitely. So another question for you is, having knowledge about something and using it to help people are two very different things.
Yeah.
So one need to have a special skill set like having communication skill or convincing power. So throughout the post process, how did you develop those skills?
Okay. So as I earlier mentioned you, like it was like a treasure hunt game for me, and I've never learned it. So I usually give my clients example, which are related to my life, or maybe some storytelling things. Few of the games like things, so it's very easy for them to understand, because we always learn through practical thing rather than storytellings and everything. If I show them practically over there now, so it's very easy for them to understand. And for me, my client satisfaction, it's more important than any other thing. So I think that I usually make them first very comfortable, and later on I just speak and I just give them some example, like by telling some stories or maybe by doing some of the demo things. So, it gets striked very easily to them.
Yeah, that's the you make it more simpler and easy for the persons to know the thing you wanted to say.
Yeah. Because
Yeah,
every
yeah,
time they won't be that comfortable because they don't know me. So first I make them very comfortable that because sharing a personal thing with someone you don't know even, so it's a bit
yeah.
difficult thing, and to trust. So moreover I believe that my client should have get 100% trust. I never share the things with anyone and anyone. That's it.
Okay. As I mentioned before, it's not a common thing to have. So, how did you convince your family and your loved ones to choose this as your profession?
Oh, actually, my father came to know when I crossed almost my 2000 hand. Rest everyone knew about it, but I don't think so. It was that difficult. Till now, they are only searching for it. That from where did I got it? Because the generation they know, matlab, no one from our generation or maybe from their generation were into this field. So till now, they are searching for it. And moreover, my dad was like, or my family was very supportive towards it. They are like, whatever you're doing in your life, no matter what, it's small, big, but you should make sure that you give your 100% into the field which you are working. So they were quite okay with it.
So you have good, so supportive family that you could just
Thank you.
do this more easily.
Yeah, because my father came to know when people were appreciating me. So and now
Yeah.
it's like wherever he goes, so it's like always the thing we won the appointment, or something like that. So it makes them feel a proud thing,
Proud. Yeah.
doing it in education wise or doing in this thing, making our parents proud. That was my thing. So I am okay. I am more happy that in this age I am able to do it and getting all this great platform because of you all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So, would you like to share some reaction you got initially?
Whenever I used to go, people used to think that I will be very say elder or sort of cross my 30s or something. And when they used to see only 21, like only 23, so first reaction was very shocking. You're doing it in such a small uh, age or something. And I still remember one example which I will love to share. I had
Sure.
my session into Pune, and 165 years old client I could say at that time. He was there, and he just gave me a call that, ma'am, where are you? And I am searching for it because I never thought that time it was my first time, and so elder to me, and I thought he's saying me ma'am or something, so he will be very young or maybe 35 40s. I've never thought of 65 something. And he was in front of me, I was in front of him, but both were not able to understand that it's me to see your show. And when he came said me like, hi ma'am, how are you, and everything went off, and I was like, you can say me Siddhi, it's okay, rather than saying, it's very awkward because you're very elder to me. He's like, no, no, no. And later on, whenever I saw his hand, and later on we just had a chit chat for a while when I was done with the session. He said, I don't know anyone will say you like anyone will how well you do in your architecture, I don't know, but as a professional towards this palmistry thing, you are just bang on. And that thing
Super.
just hit me off. The confidence level from that moment till now, it's growing only. So that was the reaction, which made me like the biggest confidence I got it from him, I could say. If he will be watching it, I am more, way more grateful to him. And
Surely, we'll
still,
say to all the viewers, वहां तक पहुंचाओ.
yeah,
वहां तक
I
जाना
will
चाहिए.
only send him because we are connected through WhatsApp and everything. I will
Oh,
definitely share
good.
this thing with him. And one more thing,
Thank you.
whenever I go for a Vastu site, so eventually people often do find it, that you're doing in a very young age or something. So yeah, this is the only reaction I got, and they are saying that you're doing really well, you will grow more and everything. Nothing as such. The first reaction is always very shocking. Oh, you're very elder, like I say, small.
Okay. So little appreciation like hits people off. Like
Yeah,
in what happened
definitely.
in case of them. Mm.
Yes, I will say, appreciate in everything. I will suggest, I always suggest parents, anyone, that appreciate your kid. That appreciation, one appreciation can, hit your kid to a higher level. A confidence can boost anything, because confidence, people do ask me that, what we can do for confidence. Confidence is not a medicine that, I can just give you and you get the confidence out of it. It's like, whatever you don't know it now, just try it. When you don't know it and you do it now, your confidence level will definitely increase. So, just try whatever you don't know, and that will make you happy, and as well as you will get the confidence out of it.
Also, the satisfaction will boost up and yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So moving towards next question. How you're accessible to people or clients on which platforms? I mean,
Okay. So we are accessible through mails, WhatsApp, Instagram, then Facebook, through normal messages, and on call as well as. And we are available
yes.
24 into 7, just because, we are like, we get out of India clients as well as. So, Hastarekha, it's the place where we want people to not to feel alone. We are always with them. The moment they text us, you will always get the message instantly. So this how they can just contact us.
Super. Super. You're available 24/7. That's the
Yeah.
best thing. Okay. Moving to the next question.
Yeah.
Did you did you do any added course to the palmistry?
Um, Not really into palmistry, but yeah, I have learned Reiki, and I have done a course into Vastu, not into palmistry field. Not even I have learned or read any book into palmistry. Only I have learned Reiki and Vastu thing.
Okay. So, being an architect, study of Vastu Shastra is like frosting on the cake. So, do you find it useful or it's just way apart? These two things.
No, I think it's definitely very useful. Being in the same field, I will say that, nowadays people are also very conscious, because they want, they always see the direction nowadays, and they always find, because everyone knows a bit of Vastu nowadays. So because
Hmm.
of lots of health issues or financial problem of anything now, they also always pin an architect. We do, do planning when they do for a bungalow. They always pin do it according to the vastu. And if an architect knows a vastu na, to they are like more happy, because they get extra things added to it. So they always
Correct.
prefer that they should know it. So it's very useful. Definitely, it's very useful, because nowadays
So it's
they
like
look for
win-win.
direction and everything. Yeah.
Yeah. It's like win-win. Vastu
Yeah.
as well as architect. Yeah.
Yes. Definitely.
Okay. So, usually people come to you for advice, but whom do you go to seek advice?
Okay. Actually, the answer is into the question itself, I could say, because I learn from my clients itself, and through my parents, obviously, and everything. But moreover, I learn from my clients itself, because every person have a good thing into them. So I just pick the good thing from my client and I keep it with me. So there I learn. It's like a give and take process, I could say.
This is a strong, strong message that you can learn from anyone, from anything and
Yeah,
anyone. You just have to pick that one thing.
yeah. Every person have some other positive side into them. It's just your eye vision and how you look at it.
Yes. Okay. So next question is that how truthful you are with your clients. Like sometimes it happens like आपने किसी का palm देखा हो और आपको कोई abrupt चीज सामने आई हो और you can just not confess कि हाँ इसको कैसे बताऊँ this thing. So that kind.
Okay, so in palmistry, it's like when a person is coming, first of all, I always make sure that I, you know, get through its inner thing that, will be able to listen it in the way I could say. Maybe it will be a very shocking thing, but I will say him in a way that he understands it in a smoother way rather than, saying into a big shocking thing and, he will be into the stressful thing. I believe
Yeah,
that in every 4 to 5 months the hand gets changed. So
yeah,
what if it's not going to happen, but if that thing is going to change and still the person is thinking about it, it's going to happen, definitely it will happen. So I
yeah,
always say them in this way that they won't think about it, and if it changes, so it won't happen into a greater or in a bigger thing. It gets in a smaller way. The radius comes in a smaller way in front of them.
okay, okay.
And yeah,
So,
yeah.
yeah, no, just go ahead. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, so I also say them, because they are coming, so I never lie with them. I will just say them the false thing and the best thing into them, and always also the false thing into them, because they should know about it. It's not like, we can't just say lie, because they are here to know their drawbacks. So it's my thing
Yeah,
that I should say him, but I say him in a very smoother way that, you know it's not very shocking thing for them. Yeah, that's it.
yeah. So, the last question for you is, what advice would you like to give to your budding buddies?
Okay, so I will say that trust yourself, and the biggest thing, rather than seeing the best in others, it's a good thing. I won't say that don't see the best into others, but definitely see a good thing in yourself. Know yourself, be little confident, be happy. You don't need to find reason for happiness. If you do something good now, appreciate yourself, right? You appreciate others, like that way, appreciate yourself. Every person in this world has some other thing, good thing into them. It's just the thing, how you look at it. Rather than thinking negative every time, think in a positive way, and life it's way more beautiful, trust me. हर किसी के लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम आता है, आपके नहीं, हमारे भी, सबके, ऐसा नहीं. People have this misconception that my life will be very happy, I will be very satisfied in everything. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. हर किसी के लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स रहती है. इट्स जस्ट द वे कि तुम उसे कैसे देखते हो. दैट्स इट. थैंक यू.
The perspective matters. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, Siddhi, for coming on the show.
थैंक यू फॉर
Thank
इनवाइटिंग.
for amazing and useful Vastu Shastra tips and many more about the palmistry. Do follow Palmistry by Siddhi. Please share your Insta ID with the viewers.
PALMISTRY by SIDHI
Okay. So, and also do like, comment, and share this video, and do subscribe to the GD Talk Show. Thank you.
Thank you.